But if you and I were business partners, my objective would be, one, to gain and maintain competitive advantage in my chosen market or field. You buy that? A lot of people tell me that quality is the objective. I don't believe that. Quality is a vehicle to do that. Okay, empowerment is a vehicle to do that, to gain and maintain competitive advantage. If that's the goal, the only way I know you can do it is by consistently meeting and or exceeding the valid requirements and expectations of your customers and prospects better than all the other available alternatives. True? If that's true, it's a nice statement, but let's take a look at some of the underlying assumptions. The first assumption is in order to gain and maintain competitive advantage, we have to know what the requirements are and expectations. True? How many of us believe that we and our people don't know all the prioritized requirements and expectations of our customers and prospects? Raise your hand. Wow. If we don't know it, how can we achieve our objective? What should we do? Give me some answers. Ask them. Absolutely. That's the second assumption. We're assuming if we ask them that they honestly know what they need. Well over 80% of my clients know they have a problem. They know they have an opportunity, but for the life of them, they don't know what they need. Is that true with yours? No, we have a classic problem. We have to know that in order to do that. And it's a case of the blind leading the blind. We can't do it that way. We have to function differently to work with our clients to derive that. And both agree up front that we don't know that. The third assumption is that we set reasonable expectations of each other, and in most cases, we don't. If we set it too high and we just do good instead of great, they're going to be unhappy. If we set our expectations too low, our competitor will set it higher and we'll get the engagement. Okay?